We welcome the Supreme Court order. We welcome the order. It's perfectly in consonance with what we have always been speaking about. We thank the government of Goa for coming forward in implementing the decisions and the parameters raised by the Supreme Court. And ladies and gentlemen, we, you, we, everybody will support the government of Goa in achieving the common objective of sterilizing, immunizing, and taking care of our four-legged friends so that there is absolute safety and security for all of us, for the two-legged and the four-legged. So thank you for coming, and I will now request our Secretary, Mr. Vijayendra, to give us a few more details. God bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you, KD, and thank you, Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, for doing its job. Now it's up to us and the government to do our jobs. We need government support to create the sterilization capacity. As we all know, we have been saying it for some time, the sterilization capacity that we need to sterilize our dogs in a timely manner so that population reduces. We need to sterilize 50,000 dogs a year. And right now we have a total capacity of only 15,000 dogs a year. So there's a huge delta here. And we need government support to create that capacity in the shortest time possible. Because unless you do that in the shortest time possible, you'll never be able to control the population of the dogs. The entire issue cropped up because of runaway population of dogs. There's runaway population of dogs because we don't sterilize. In Goa, at least, we don't sterilize because we don't have the capacity. Our NGOs, many of them are here, they're doing their best to do what they can. We need support from the government to now come forward, create the capacity, and ask one of our NGOs, choose who they want it to be run. They are very professional people on the ground. So that's our most important ask from the government, to do it and do it now on a war footing. It's not 6 months later, it's not 12 months later, it's today. We need that capacity, and we know it's going to take time. There are some short-term solutions and long-term solutions. But animal husbandry could implement certain things right now and start doing something to create the capacity so that in 1 year we can start sterilizing 50,000 dogs a year, and in 3 years we are done with sterilizing the entire dog population of Goa. And we'll see in 5 to 6 year results of dog population decreasing substantially. So our request to government is do something, and do something now, because until now we have not seen much coming from the government to help us out. So our request to everybody in the government, to all the stakeholders, is to work with us. All the animal lovers, human lovers, dog lovers, we all have same objective. Our objective is same as anybody else's, to see lesser number of dogs on the road.
Absolutely.
So our objective is no different than objective of those people who probably don't like dogs as much as we do. We also want to see lesser number of dogs on the road. But we want to implement it in a scientific way, in a humane way, and in a legal way, which is to sterilize these dogs.
I am thankful to the respectable Supreme Court of India for being so considerate and this new order passed. Now I am asking everybody who's here, the ball is in whose court? Our court. Our court is, do you have the authority to put in the funds for the vaccination and the sterilizations and etc.? Who has the authority? Government. Who has the authority? Government. Who has the authority? Government. Can we hear this? Did Hema say this? Hema is also saying this. So the entire ball was, what did the Supreme Court say after that order, that not done order was passed that time? They said very clearly, you didn't do your jobs. Yes. And when they said you didn't do your jobs, who were they pointing out to? The authorities. The authorities are controlled by whom? The government. The lovely people who are here, who have come here, sweating away here for those voiceless creatures today. Okay, what are we saying also? Government, show heart. Where is your heart? We don't want We are here for humans also, other than the dogs, because as humans, we do not want to see them languishing in those filthy streets in such horrible conditions. Yes, I have also requested, when I put my request again, after my first appeal, now the request is feeding points, taking care of whoever's hearts are there with the dogs, the localities that care. There's a love thing. Love is human. Love. Human. If we don't show that love, that divine won't show us the love. It's so simple. Love is something that's a natural thing that has to come. And who has to be the example to show love to the world? Who is in authority? Can I hear that loud, my darlings? The government. So when the government shows the example of love, then the entire human race feels the love and spreads the love. So please, I request the government, help the NGOs also which are here, who are tirelessly working, giving their lives. Please give them funds. They require funds. It's not just about you doing your job. If they are already doing the job, they're already doing their job. Give them, if you don't want to pat them on the back, it's okay. We are there to do that. But just give them the funds that they require. They'll do the job for y'all. When there was I want to say there was a person in power where he could do something for the dogs, was Sanjeet Rodrigues. There was a secretary for animal husbandry, Kuldeep Singh Gangad. These people died for dogs. They cared. So they gave to NGOs like PAWS. They brought them in. They did something from their side. That time, Goa became an anti-rabbit state. No rabies. Okay, there was very less, the population of dogs, and suddenly everything was heartless again. Why? Like I said, if you don't show the love, who will? And I'm telling the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, दोतोर तुवें म्हाका आवय म्हणल्या सगळ्यांची पब्लिकली म्हणला आवय म्हाका रायट आसा उलोवपाक एक आवय सांगता ह्या भुरगीं जी आसा तुजी हांगा ही तुमची भुरगीं तुमचो भाव न्हय हांचे पळयात कित्याक दे आर डायिंग टू डू थिंग्स फॉर द डॉग्स कांट यू हेल्प प्लीज
आमच्या एनिमल लवर्सांक सगळ्यांक मोगाचो येवकार हेमाबाईन सांगलां ऑलरेडी तर आमकां फाटले कांय दीस हो विशय खूब एजिटेट केला आमकां तर सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो पयली एक निर्णय जो आयलो तातूंत म्हळें शेल्टरींग ऑफ डॉग्स म्हणटना दिल्लीकूच म्हळें NCR दिल्ली म्हणून पण आमच्या सरकारान म्हळें आमी टास्क फोर्स करता ताजे तर्फे आमी शेल्टरिंगाचो विशय हँडल करतले म्हणून आमकां प्रश्न येता जेन्ना सरकार कितेंय स्किम्स अनाउन्स करता कितेंय प्रोग्राम अनाउन्स करता पण ताजे खातीर जे पयसो लागता एलोकेशन लागता ताजे खातीर कायदो केलो म्हणून जायना स्कीम केली म्हणून जायना ताजे इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करपाक रुल्स रेग्युलेशन करचे पडटात ते प्रॅक्टिकल आसा काय ना ते पळोवचें पडटा ताजे खातीर जो पुलीस फोर्स जाय पडटा खंय रेग्युलेशन करपाक कितें करपाक ते आमचे कडेन सारके वेवस्थीत डिप्लॉय केले काय ना ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी पळोवच्यो पडटा म्हणटकर जेन्ना दिल्ली खातीर जेन्ना कुत्र्यांचो विशय शेल्टरिंगाचो आयलो सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडल्यान तोवूय आयलो कसो तो इलॉजिकल आयलो तो इम्प्रॅक्टिकल आयलो तो इल्लीगल आयलो कित्याक इल्लीगल म्हळें तर जेन्ना गायडलायन्स आसात इन प्लेस सरकाराच्योच गायडलायन्स आसा फिडींग कशें करचें तांचें स्टरिलायझेशन कशें करचें हे सगळ्यो गायडलायन्स आसतना डॉग्स आर टेरिटोरियल तांकां म्हाका जाय म्हणे तुमच्या घरा कडेन कित्याक फीड करना म्हणून म्हज्यान घरा व्हरून म्हाका बरें घरा व्हरून करपाक जाय बट वी कॅन टेक दॅट सो हे जेन्ना येस जेन्ना हो असो निर्णय आयलो ऑल ऑफ अस ऑल ओवर द कंट्री गॉट वरीड एंड आउटरेज सो मेनी ग्रुप्स इन मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री तांणी वचून पुलिसाच्यो लाठयो खाल्यो करेक्ट
Yes.
पण कित्याक हार्ट वॉज टॉकिंग सो ताजे नंतर हो विशय इतले प्रमाणात तुम्ही आमी सगळ्यांनी इतले पेपराचेर आनी आमच्या मिडियांनी इतलो फ्लॅग केलो सगळे कडेन म्हणटकर सुप्रीम कोर्टाक ताजी दखल घेवची पडली आनी एक ताजेर एक उपाय काडपी शेल्टरींग ना म्हणून सांगपी आनी जे आमी फिडींग करतात ते एक रेग्युलेटरी पद्दतीन स्पॉट्स डेजिग्नेट करून करचे असो एक उपाय दिवपी बरो एक हे निर्णय सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या 3 मेंबर बेंचान दिलो. काल फॉर्च्युनेटली आमचे चीफ जस्टीस भूषण रामकृष्ण गवई गोंयांक आयिल्ले आशिल्ले आनी हांव डिसेबिलिटी क्षेत्राकय वावर करता. सो तांचे पर्पल फेस्त जावपाचे आहा ऑक्टोबरात. तुमी सगळ्यांनी येवचे, हांगाच आमंत्रण दिता 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. सो हे दिव्यांगाचे फेस्ताक आमंत्रण दिवपाक हांव गोवा स्टेट एडवायझरी बोर्ड म्हणून आहा डिसेबिलिटीचो ताजो मेंबर आसा. म्हणटकर डिसेबिलिटी कमिशनर आनी आमची सगळी टीम चीफ जस्टिसाक मेळपाक गेली. फॉर्च्युनेटली थंय बॉम्बे हायकोर्टाचे बॉम्बे बसपी चीफ जस्टीस, ताजे जजीस, आमचे जस्टीस वाल्मिकी मिनेजीस आनी आमचे जस्टीस सोनक हे सगळे तांच्या बरोबर आशिल्ले. हांवें ती ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेवन हांवें आमचो प्रश्न तुमी बरे भशेन सोडयले बद्दल तुमकां थँक्यू म्हणटा म्हणून तांकां सांगलें आनी तांकां सांगलें की हो प्रश्न तुमी ह्युमेन पद्दतीन प्रॅक्टिकल आनी सायंटिफीक पद्दतीन जे तरेन हँडल केला आमकां एक विश्वास तुमी घाला. आमकांय बरे भशेनूच फीड करपाचें आसता. सो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच आनी सांगपा बरें दिसता.
I would like to point out there's tears in this man's eyes.
Yes, right.
Okay. So give respect to those tears. Those dogs out there, they may have intelligence to love and be faithful and be attached, but they don't have the intelligence to take decisions on their lives. We are responsible. Baba,
आम्ही शारदामल बरोबर
we
शिकला.
are responsible for the dogs.
रडू नका.
Okay. Thank you, Baba.
टायगर इज देयर.
Thank you.
एमआरडी द टायगर. बघा पाक.
खूप रडली रे यार.
विवा.
खूप रडली.
तू रडू नका गो. हांव चितो
आणि
न्ही.
जसा
Yeah, don't worry.
मराठी.
शारदामल बरोबर शिकला आम्ही आता तुका.
सो
नाटका करू नका सर. हांव नाटका करिना.
एक मिनिट.
ओके.
Hey, get this man out.
ना
गेट आउट.
Yes.
गेट आउट.
No, you don't.
You're not my classmate.
Don't abuse all these people who are
I will not
standing
abuse
here.
anybody.
How dare you say the word drama? You're drunk. He's drunk.
म्हाका जावणाय म्हणटा पळय.
शांत राव.
Have a heart, man.
आनी म्हाका आठ ना.
आता पळय उलयतले हाजेर येता.
केलो.
सो चीफ जस्टिसान
हांव drunk.
हे वचून सांगलें की आमकां हे वेरियस सायडचे इश्यूज जे आसात 2 सायड दिस सायड दॅट सायड सगळे आमी लक्षांत घेवन ही ऑर्डर पास केल्ली आसा. आमकांय वरी जाल्ली, आमकांय कन्सर्न जाल्लो. सो ही वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी दॅट I thanked him in front of all this.
Yes.
Proud of you.
So it is a great thing we got on behalf of आमचे डॉग लवर्स, गोयचे एनिमल लवर्स आणि स्पेशली गोवा फेडरेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स जे आम्ही आता केले तांचे तर्फे म्हणून हांवें ताका स्पेसिफिकली सांगले.
थँक्यू सर.
सो हो प्रश्न जो
You're a great man.
आमच्या मुखार आयला तो आमी कसो हँडल करूं जाय. समाजांत लोकांक आमचे सारखे डॉग लवर आसात, एनिमल लवर सगळे असतात.
Okay.
पण काही लोकांक काही वेळार अप्रिहेन्शन्स असतात की जेन्ना कुत्र्याचे विशीं आमचे हेडगी कुत्री असे कोंकणीक शब्द आहा, आमी कम्युनिटी डॉग्स म्हणटात तांकां. सो ते कुत्र्या बद्दल काही लोकांक खबर आसना किंवा केन्ना इन्सिडंट जाल्ले आसता म्हणून लोक अप्रिहेन्सिव्ह असतात. तर ती आमची ड्युटी आमी लोकांक हे समजावन दिवपाची की हो विशय पळय आहा. तांकां आमी जर फूड घालेना, तांकां जर आमी कोणी बडी मारली आनी कितें प्रोवोक केलें जाल्यार तांची रिएक्शन येता, कित्याक तांकां आवाजान सांगूं येना. सो ही जबाबदारी आमची. आनी एस्पेशली देशाच्या सगळ्यांत व्हडल्या सुप्रीम कोर्टान जेन्ना अशे तरेन आमकां एक ऑर्डर पास केल्या तर सरकाराचे कडेन आमी मागपाक जाय. कित्याक सरकारां शेवटी हेमाबाईन सांगलां तशें आमकां बरें दिसलें आमचे कडेन येदे रिसोर्सीस आसात ना. तुम्ही शेल्टरिंगाच्या नांवान 10,000 कोटीची प्रोजेक्ट भळो तो इम्प्रॅक्टिकल, तो इल्लिगल आनी तो तुमचे कडेन केन्ना जावचोय ना. म्हणटकच जातलें आशिल्लें कितें अर्धवट कितें तरी सुरू करप आनी मागीर ते कुत्र्याचे पाड घालप आणि आमचे जे हातूंत असे लोक आसा ही जर ऑर्डर जावूं नाशिल्ली आणि जर ते तशीच शेल्टरिंग जावन जर स्ट्रेस उरिलो आमच्यातले कांय लोक सुसायड सुद्दां करतले आशिल्ले असे लोक आसा म्हणटकर जेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टान अशी बरी ऑर्डर दिल्या सच ह्युमेन scientific and practical order has been passed. It is our duty to demand from this government that we want proper allocation, we want proper infrastructure, we want proper animal husbandry, sensitized and aware people who just don't look here and there, but they should understand. थोड़ी सी सोच बदल म्हणजे माइंड शुड बी ओपन टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन आवर पीपल गो टू देम सो व्हेन दैट इज द गवर्नमेंट्स ड्यूटी टू वी आर ऑफरिंग यू अ हैंड ऑफ सपोर्ट एंड एम्पैथी you reciprocate, you come out with a proper scheme, time bound, as our Vijayanji has said, that first 3 years, 50,000 each per year if we do, then if you say 3 lakh dogs, within 3 years, we do these surgeries properly, we do vaccinations, we call Goa rabies free, and if we keep this kind of tempo, definitely anything is possible. Once we do this, government, you will have to no worry about stray dogs and community dogs. Please understand and support us. Come out with proper scheme, proper allocation, time-bound schemes, and implement them. That is what we are saying. Thank you very much.